Hello friends, welcome to EduTech Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to see 100 plus most important full forms for competitive exams which ask in railway, bank, SSC, DRDO, MTS, etc. Question number 1. Full form of Gmail. Answer: Google Mail. Question number 2. Full form of PAN. Answer: Permanent Account Number. Question number 3. Full form of Wi-Fi. Answer: Wireless Fidelity. Question number 4. Full form of IMEI. Answer: International Mobile Equipment Identity. Question number 5. Full form of BCCI. Answer: Board of Control for Cricket in India. Question number 6. Full form of UGC. Answer: University Grants Commission. Question number 7. Full form of BBC. Answer: British Broadcasting Corporation. Question number 8. Full form of HTC. Answer: High Tech Computer. Question number 9. Full form of MNC. Multinational Corporation. Question number 10. Full form of CAT. Answer: Common Admission Test. Question number 11. Full form of AD. Answer: Anno Domini. Question number 12. Full form of BC. Answer: Before Christ. Question number 13. Full form of ICU. Answer: Intensive Care Unit. Question number 14. Full form of OMR. Answer: Optical Mark Recognition. Question number 15. Full form of DOC. Answer: Document. Question number 16. Full form of CD. Answer: Compact Disc. Question number 17. Full form of DVD. Answer: Digital Versatile Disc. Question number 18. Full form of GUI. Answer: Graphical User Interface. Question number 19. Full form of GPS. Answer: Global Positioning System. Question number 20. Full form of HDMI. Answer: High Definition Multimedia Interface. Question number 21. Full form of LPG. Answer: Liquefied Petroleum Gas. Question number 22. Full form of BIT. Answer: Binary Unit. Question number 23. Full form of email. Answer: Electronic mail. Question number 24. Full form of MB. Answer: Megabyte. Question number 25. Full form of GB. Answer: Gigabyte. Question number 26. Full form of TB. Answer: Terabyte. Question number 27. Full form of SMS. Answer: Short Message Service. Question number 28. Full form of CT scan. Answer: Computed Tomography Scan. Question number 29. Full form of IQ. Answer: Intelligence Quotient. Question number 30. Full form of CC. Answer: Carbon Copy. Question number 31. Full form of SARC. Answer: South Asian Association for Regional Corporation. Question number 32. Full form of IRDA. Answer: Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Question number 33. Full form of Wipro. Answer: Western India Products. Question number 34. Full form of NABARD. Answer: National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Question number 35. Full form of IP. Answer: Internet Protocol. Question number 36. Full form of HTTP. Answer: Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 37. Full form of KYC. Answer: Know Your Customer. Question number 38. Full form of VIP. Answer: Very important person. Question number 39. Full form of IRCTC. Answer: Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Question number 40. Full form of PNR. Answer: Passenger Name Record. Question number 41. Full form of UPS. Answer: Uninterruptible Power Supply. Question number 42. Full form of NATO. Answer: North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Question number 43. Full form of TCP. Answer: Transmission Control Protocol. Question number 44. Full form of DIG. Answer: Deputy Inspector General. Question number 45. Full form of FTP. Answer: File Transfer Protocol. Question number 46. Full form of FBI. Answer: Federal Bureau of Investigation. Question number 47. Full form of HDFC. Answer: Housing Development Finance Corporation. Question number 48. Full form of ICICI. Answer: Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Question number 49. Full form of ONGC. Answer: Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Question number 50. Full form of IDBI. Answer: Industrial Development Bank of India. Question number 51. Full form of MBBS. Answer: Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. Question number 52. Full form of PhD. Answer: Doctor of Philosophy. Question number 53. Full form of GPRS. Answer: General Packet Radio Service. Question number 54. Full form of GSM. Answer: Global System for Mobile Communications. Question number 55. Full form of CDMA. Answer: Code Division Multiple Access. Question number 56. Full form of AIDS. Answer: Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Question number 57. Full form of Google. Answer: Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. Question number 58. Full form of AM. Answer: Anti-Meridian. Question number 59. Full form of PM. Answer: Post-Meridian. Question number 60. Full form of ASCII. Answer: American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 61. Full form of BPL. Answer: British Physical Laboratories. Question number 62. Full form of MRI. Answer: Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Question number 63. Full form of NASA. Answer: National Aeronautics and Space Agency. Question number 64. Full form of SIM. Answer: Subscriber Identification Module. Question number 65. Full form of STD. Answer: Subscriber trunk dialing. Question number 66. Full form of ISD. Answer. International subscriber dialing. Question number 67. Full form of PCO. Answer. Public Call Office. Question number 68. Full form of URL. Answer. Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 69. Full form of VPN. Answer. Virtual Private Network. Question number 70. Full form of HTTPS. Answer. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Question number 71. Full form of USB. Answer. Universal Serial Bus. Question number 72. Full form of CBSE. Answer. Central Board of Secondary Education. Question number 73. Full form of VAT. Answer. Value Added Tax. Question number 74. Full form of PDF. Answer. Portable Document Format. Question number 75. Full form of DOS. Answer. Disk Operating System. Question number 76. Full form of BIOS. Answer. Basic Input Output System. Question number 77. Full form of CBIL. Answer. Credit Information Bureau India Limited. Question number 78. Full form of COD. Answer. Cash on Delivery. Question number 79. Full form of CPU. Answer. Central Processing Unit. Question number 80. Full form of DRAM. Answer. Dynamic Random Access Memory. Question number 81. Full form of ECG. Answer. Electrocardiogram. Question number 82. Full form of EMI. Answer. Equated Monthly Installment. Question number 83. Full form of FICCI. Answer. Federal of India Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Question number 84. Full form of RAM. Answer. Random Access Memory. Question number 85. Full form of ROM. Answer. Read Only Memory. Question number 86. Full form of HTML. Answer. Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 87. Full form of IIT. Answer. Indian Institute of Technology. Question number 88. Full form of UN. Answer. United Nations. Question number 89. Full form of USA. Answer. United States of America. Question number 90. Full form of IPC. Answer. Indian Penal Code. Question number 91. Full form of IPCC. Answer. Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Question number 92. Full form of LICI. Answer. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Question number 93. Full form of ESN. Answer. Electronic Serial Number. Question number 94. Full form of MMS. Answer. Multimedia Messaging Service. Question number 95. Full form of NSDL. Answer. National Securities Depository Limited. Question number 96. Full form of SEBI. Answer. Securities Exchange Board of India. Question number 97. Full form of OTG. Answer. On the Go. Question number 98. Full form of TDC. Answer. Transport Development Council. Question number 99. Full form of TDS. Answer. Tax Deduction at Source. Question number 100. Full form of TIN. Answer. Tax Information Network. Question number 101. Full form of UFO. Answer. Unidentified Flying Object. Question number 102. Full form of Intel. Answer. Integrated Electronics. Last question number 103. Full form of Alpha. Answer. United Liberation Front of Assam. Thank you friends. Please like, share, subscribe, EduTech, learn and grow. All the best for your competitive exams. Thank you.